Hey everybody, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Firestick remote to turn off TV. Let's go. Open main TV settings. Turn on HDMI CEC. Open display and sound. Turn on HDMI CEC. Open Equipment Control. Manage Equipment. TV. Change TV. Follow the on-screen instructions. Down. That's it. Now you know how to connect Firestick remote to turn off TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.